The Shark Island Challenge, held near Cronulla, New South Wales, Australia, is the most celebrated World Tour event in bodyboarding since the elimination of the Teahupoo Challenge from the World Bodyboarding Tour. History. The Shark Island Challenge first started in 1997, and was a very informal and local event organized by Nathan Purcell and Mark Fordham. The championship would get increasing attention in the following years and was promoted to an international World Tour event sanctioned by the International Bodyboarding Association in 2002, eventually turning out to be the premier event of the tour when the Teahupoo Challenge was eliminated due to lack of financial sponsoring. Results and conditions. 1997. Organizers: Nathan Purcell, Mark Fordham. Waiting period: best day in May, later changed to best day in June due to lack of swell. Format: 12 local riders versus 12 invitees from Australia. Results and prizes: 1. Matt Percy 2, Steve Mackenzie 3, Chris Waugh 4, Luke Miller 5, Nathan Purcell, Ben Player. Sponsors: Ocean and Earth, Manta Bodyboards, The Surf Travel Company, Emerald Surf City, Cronulla Houseboats and Seaplanes. Conditions: 1-to-1, 5 meters offshore waves. Footage: Secret Weapons by Chris Stroh. As the first Shark Island Challenge, it was a very informal competition. Comments from the riders gives the notion that it was more like free surfing. It could be argued that the low money prize and the fact that it did not score points for the World Tour contributed to this relaxed feeling toward the competition in this year. 1998. Organizers: Nathan Purcell, Mark Fordham. Waiting period: the 1st of July to the 1st of August. Format: 12 local riders versus 12 invitees from Australia. 2 rounds event. Results and prizes: 1. Steve Mackenzie 2, Matt Percy 3, Adam Smith 4, Nathan Purcell. Sponsors: Ocean and Earth, Manta Bodyboards, The Surf Travel Company, Emerald Surf City. Conditions: first round 1 to 2 meters waves with crosswinds. Second round 1 to 2 meters thundering tubular waves with offshore winds. Footage: Rush, Shark Island Challenge by Chris Stroh. The second incarnation of the six showed bodyboarding legend Mike Stewart riding like no other. This time again the competition was on a relaxed mood, and despite the Hawaiian efforts the locals dominated the heats. 1999. Organizers: Nathan Purcell, Mark Fordham. Waiting period: the 11th of June to the 11th of July. Format: 12 locals versus 12 invitees. 2-round event. 6 1-hour 4 men heats. 3 best scoring waves counting each round. Results and prizes: 1. Christian Riguccini 2, Nathan Purcell 3, Toby Player 4, Adam Smith 5, Ryan Hardy 6, Guilherme Tamega 7, Matt Percy 7, Warren Finebeer. Sponsors: Surf Dive N, Ski, Manta Bodyboards, Ocean and Earth, The Surf Travel Company, Dreamweaver Surf Adventures, Mike Perry, Peter Michaels, Seafood and the Voodoo Lounge. Cronulla. Best move: Christian Riguccini, long tube ride with a huge roll-on surge. Best barrel: Matt Percy. Conditions: first round 1 to 2 meters southeast ground swell with perfect conditions. Footage: Rush, Shark Island Challenge by Chris Stroh. This year a promising and very anticipated swell for the beginning of June failed to show up and the competition had to be put on hold. Many standout invitees had to drop the contest due to previous scheduled trips. On Monday the 5th of July, with only 6 days left left in the window. An unexpected 4 to 6 foot swell created perfect conditions for the island. This was so unexpected that some prominent riders missed the heats. The island didn't break again with good condition to the end of the waiting period, and the final results were taken from the first round scores. Brazilian Guilherme Tamega surfed Shark Island for the first time during the only day of competition. 2000 organizers Mark Fordham, Nathan Purcell. Waiting period, the 11th of June to the 11th of July. Format, 8 locals, 8 Australians, 8 internationals, 2-round event, 6 1-hour 4 men heats, 3 best scoring waves counting each round. Results and prizes: 1. Mike Stewart equals 2. Damien King equals 2. Ryan Hardy 7. Toby Player $500. Sponsors: Surf Dive N Ski, Mike Stewart Science, The Surf Travel Company, Dreamweaver Surf Adventures, Wavecam, Mike Perry, Peter Michaels Seafood, and the Voodoo Lounge. Cronulla. Best Move: Ryan Hardy, Fusion Vertova White Rock. Best Barrel: Mike Stewart. Best Wipeout: Nathan Purcell. Conditions: First round, 1, 5 to 2, 5 meters east, southeast swell offshore winds. Second round, small 1 to 1, 5 meters waves. Footage: SIC SDS. Mike Stewart, Shark Island Challenge 2000 by Chris Stroh. With huge, very dangerous conditions on the first round, bodyboarding legend Mike Stewart dominated the competition by maintaining a good average scoring on the second round. Small conditions, he took the first place on this year's SIC. The locals, although yet a driving force in the competition, started to be replaced by international top bodyboarders on the top 10. 2001 organizers Mark Fordham, Nathan Purcell. Waiting period, the 21st of June to the 22nd of July. Format: 10 locals, 8 Australians, 5 internationals, 2-round event, 6 1-hour 4 men heats, 3 best scoring waves counting each round. Results and prizes: 1. Damien King 2. Ryan Hardy 3. Sean Virtue 4. Dave Ballard 5. Andrew Lester 6. Jeff Hubbard 7. Steve McKenzie 7. Toby Player. Sponsors: Human, Custom X, Citizen Watches, The Surf Travel Co., Dreamweaver Surfing Adventures, Wavecam, Wing Wetsuits, Emerald Surf City. Best Move: Ryan Hardy. Best Barrel: Simon Thornton. Best Wipeout: Ryan McKinnon. Conditions: First round, 2 to 2, 5 meters east with little north on the swell with light westerly wind. Second round, 2 to 2, 5 plus meters east with little north on the swell. Footage: The Human Shark Island Challenge 2001 by Ian Stewart. This year presented the heaviest wave conditions for a SIC ever, with former champion Mike Stewart pulling out of the competition due to family commitments. The stage was clear for the other performers. South African Alistair Taylor had to go to the hospital to check his injuries after receiving one of the worst wipeouts ever seen at Shark Island. International top bodyboarders dominated the competition, with to-be 2-times world champion Damien King taking the lead. 2002 organizers Mark Fordham, Nathan Purcell. Waiting period: the 21st of June to the 22nd of July. Format: 10 locals, 8 Australians, 5 internationals, 2-round event, 6 1-hour 4 men heats, 3 best scoring waves counting each round. Results and prizes: 1. Guilherme Tamega 2. Andrew Lester 3. Damien King 4. Jeff Hubbard 5. Alistair Taylor 6. Bode 7. Ben Player 8. Toby Player. Sponsors: Human, Rejected Clothing, Custom X, Gola, www.fluidzone.com, The Surf Travel Company, *, Best Move, Kelly Hunt. Best Barrel, Andrew Lester. Conditions: first round 1-1, 5+ meters with some cross-shore effect. Second round 1-1, 5+ meters. Perfect conditions. Footage: The Human Shark Island Challenge 2002 by Ian Stewart. This was the first year that the Shark Island Challenge was run as an international sanctioned event of the World Tour. It was the first time Guilherme Tamega went to win the title, a feat he would repeat in the following 2 years to become the only person ever to win 2 or 3 consecutive SIC titles. He would eventually win his 6th world title that year. 2003 organizers Mark Fordham. Waiting period: the 28th of June. Results and prizes: 1. Guilherme Tamega 2. Jeff Hubbard 3. Doug Shell 4. Damian King = 5. Dave Ballard. Dave Winchester 7. Ryan McKinnon 8. Toby Player. Best Move: Guilherme Tamega. Best Barrel: Ryan McKinnon. Conditions: first round 3 to 5 feet. Swell was from the Shea with perfect offshore winds. 2004 organizers Mark Fordham. Waiting period. Results and prizes: 1. Guilherme Tamega 2. Dave Ballard 3. Damian King 4. Josh Kirkman 5. John Chowell 6. Dave Winchester 7. Andrew Lester 8. Graham Miller. Best Move: Guilherme Tamega. Best Barrel: Dave Winchester. Conditions: first round 4 to 6 feet east swell. Second round 4 to 6 feet. The event did not conclude due to lack of surfing conditions. On the 26th day of the waiting period, with only 2 days left to its conclusion, the event was cancelled in the quarterfinals with no swell forecast for the following days. The 16 competitors that reached the quarterfinals shared the $50,000 prize. 2006 organizers Mark Fordham. Waiting period: June 27th to July 31st, 2006. Results and prizes: 1. Ryan Hardy 2. John Chowell 3. Damian King 4. Jeff Hubbard. Best Move: Jeff Hubbard. Best Barrel: Damian King. Conditions: first, second round 4 to 8 feet.